Hello, good morning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a Pareto chart. This chart helps us visually identify which categories has the biggest impact on our total, enable decision based on the 80% of result concentrated in a few categories. Let's go. To model these charts, we need to prepare our measures and column. First, we have the total revenue region, that is the sum of revenue per region. That's it. We have the base column, then in here we have the region themselves, and we have the cumulative PCT revenue. This is the most important measure. Why? Because which will create the cumulative percentage line. This line allows us to see how revenue accumulates by region. Okay, and the cumulative PCT revenues measure is built step by step to create a cumulative calculation, not an individual value calculation per category. Okay, we have the current region that indicates the region being evaluated at the current position on the chart axis. It's just a max formula. The table ranked, that creates a virtual table with all the regions and their total revenue. Ignoring the visual filters, the table represents the entire population of values. It's with another columns and the all. And here is the key step, regions at all. Here we don't calculate only the values of the current position, okay? Instead, we filters all regions whose revenue is greater than or equal to the current region's revenue. This means that as the line is drawn, each point represents everything accumulated up to that point, based on descending order. It's not just the region value, but the total accumulated at that region. Okay? Well, we have the total that calculates the total revenue across all the regions is the denominator. We have the account sum, that is the sum of the revenues of the region returned by region above. This is the numerator, representing the cumulative total up to that point. And we have the divide formula. In here we have the account sum and the total on, returning the cumulative percentage, which becomes the Pareto line. And that's it. Each point on the line shows everything accumulated so far. It's not just a single category. Well, and now we use the combo charts, columns, and line in Power BI. Once the measure and created, we configure the chart as follows. We have the x-axis, that is the region columns directly, the y-axis, that is the total revenue, the sum of each revenue, then we have the line, the Pareto, that is the accumulative PCT revenue. Okay, we sort the column from the largest to the smallest, so the line shows the accumulative trend. It's really useful to add some reference lines, like the 80% line, to quickly see which regions contribute the most of the total revenue. In this case, we have really less regions, but in some cases we have too many columns, and this is really useful. And that is for today's video. I hope you find this technique really useful. If you have any question, leave them in comments. Don't forget, like, subscribe. See you on next video. Bye bye.